Hey beautiful people, it's Shakira G and I'm back with another video. Today I want to show you my custom made by me 5x5 closure wig with anointed hair bundles, which is my own black owned beauty brand. So stay tuned to watch this beautiful install.
I'll be so grateful to call her my wife. I'm giving her my funds cause I'm very nice. I'm giving her cause I just want a pipe. 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 I just want. I know it's crazy how I got that drip on me. Fresh as so you know I got that drip on me. Yes, I've been catching up the muff. Check, save up that money, then give it to
I made my own natural hair oil called Anointed Hair Oil. If you guys are interested in using this hair oil, you can watch my journey as I grow my edges back. And you guys can see just all the growth that I've gotten from that. You can also go to Anointed Hair Solutions on my Instagram or AnointedHairSloutions.com to see some befores and afters and to see some testimonials from some of my clients about my hair growth oil. I just started using it again because I've been wearing wigs back to back, so I haven't really been taking care of my edges. But now, since I'm going to be doing glueless, the glueless method on today, and I think that I'm going to be doing the glueless methods, the duration of these videos, probably just make this a series of glueless wig installs because you can have a beautiful install without that. Now what I'm doing is throwing the cap on, and I'm using some Fantasia holding spray because that's what I had on hand. So I'm using that holding spray to hold my cap down in the front because this will be an install that I'm able to do quickly, and it's also glueless just to preserve my edges. Yes, I put some oil on my edges, but it doesn't really matter because I don't plan on using this wig for long. This install won't be for long. So I applied the Fantasia holding spray, and now I'm using my blow dryer to lay the cap down flat. And I used the end of a rat tail comb to press it against my scalp as the holding spray dries. The reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to lay real flat and not curl up at the end, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So next step is to cut the cap off, and I'm cutting it in an angle to where I'm still preserving my edges because we're using holding spray. Holding spray could be a bit harsh upon the edges as well because it's usually made out of alcohol. So I put a little oil there just to protect my edges and protect what I got going on my head. So we're moving on to the next step, which is me putting makeup on the cap. And once I get that done, that's when I just throw on a little bit of makeup. I skipped the makeup part of the video because I wanted it to be focused on the hair. But if you guys want me to make a makeup video, I have that video coming up. Not me making it, but I'll have it coming up.
Put your home in a game. Keep a few Glocks in case we don't play. Your tone need a change. Take it to the face, run it up. We could run that fade. Play with the that I make. Whole time we saying A in my future.
And also a quick shout out to my son, Little Murphy. He's starting his rap career, and this is his song with him and his friend. You guys could go ahead and check him out too on SoundCloud. Little Murphy, MURFEE, LILMURFEE.
I just want a pipe. 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 I just want a pipe.
Shut up, Martin. This is really stupid.
Stud in my line, big behind. I'll be so grateful to call her my wife. I'm giving her my funds cause I'm very nice. I'm giving her cause I just want a pipe. 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 I just wanna. I know it's crazy how I got that drip on me. Fresh as so you know I got that drip on me. Yes, I've been catching up the muff. Check, save up that money, then give it to my next boss on the grind. Always restless, she gon' throw that back and show it breast. Run my off, no time, no days off. Just so I can have. She got that, so I sent for the. I spoil my queen because I'm very rich. She in the mood, she'll do it for the. But she out of luck, cause I ain't got. I fuck around and go crazy, no special ed. Cougar on my dick and she took off her dentures. She got 9 lives, she can get the dick today. But she old, but I don't discriminate. Stud, in my line, big behind. I'll be so grateful to call her my wife.
And bam, now that my face is beat to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, to the one and only God, we're going to move on to the portion of me actually applying it to my head. So what I'm doing is using Java. The color name is Java from Superstay. It's Maybelline powder that I'm using on the closure piece. And this is an HD closure. This HD closure comes from Lustful Hair. Now, the hair is Anointed Bundles brand, and it's my Cambodian luxury line. But the closure itself came from Lustful. My girl Jennifer, tell her Shakira sent you if you ever go to her site or pull up on Lustful Hair in LA, located in Inglewood and in the Valley. She has the bombest HD closures, and I love them. So now as I'm doing my baby hairs, I actually use some of my edge control called Coil. It's from Coil brand. It's actually like the best edge control like I've ever used. It's the type of edge control that you can actually like maneuver around, but at the same time it holds your lace down. It's not really like how Got to Be Glued is. It's an actual edge control, but it's the business. I'll put the name down in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check out the site. But it's a black owned edge control. I love it. It works really, really well. As you can see, I haven't used any holding spray for this part just as yet. I just like to mold my edges with the edge control, and then I come in a little bit with the holding spray. The holding spray that I'm using on my edges is called Shine, and it comes from Smooth and Silk. They have a blue holding spray that is the business. It's a very light hold, so it won't have your hair feeling crunchy like Got to Be Glued edge control. And here I am putting on my band to hold down my lace so it can be melted to the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, not to the gods but to my God. And here we are. So what I'm gonna do next is add a little bit of foundation to hide the line of demarcation. And once I did that, bam, pow, and ta-dow, here goes this beautiful 5x5 closure 28-inch jet black colored wig that I made half machine weft and half handmade because I stitched the closure on by hand. But yes, this is the end result, you guys. Stay tuned because I have a lot more heat coming. This is my comeback wig. I love this hair. This is my favorite hair from my brand. I have my Vietnamese hair, and I also have my Cambodian luxury hair, and this is the Cambodian hair. And I told you that the closure is from Lustful Hair. Check her out. Her name is Jennifer. She's beautiful. She's my home girl. If you need any HD closures or HD frontals, she's the woman for the job, to match in with any of your hair that you feel like is beautiful and luxury. So God bless, and you guys have a great day or night.
I just wanna pipe. 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 I just wanna pipe.